All-in-One Adapter connects your Mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt-enabled laptop or tablet to a VGA or HDMI display. HD15 port supports video resolutions up to 1920x1200, including 1080p. HDMI port supports UHD video resolutions up to 3840 by 2160, 4K x 2K. Passive adapter and requires the connected computer to have a dual-mode DP++, DisplayPort++ port. Connector type: Mini DisplayPort to HDMI VGA. Included components: P137-06N-HV-V2W Keyspan Mini DisplayPort 1.2 to VGA, HDMI All-in-One Converter Adapter, 6-inch, Owner's Manual. No more carrying around separate adapters for various monitors, projectors and televisions. The P137-06N-HV-V2W Mini DisplayPort 1.2 to VGA, HDMI All-in-One Converter Adapter connects your laptop or tablet's Mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt port to a VGA or HDMI display. The simple all-in-one solution for displaying content on a larger screen, the P137-06N-HV-V2W is ideal for trade shows, classrooms, lecture halls and other presentations. Only one display can be connected at a time. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Gets the job done, easy to use.